So the cooler weather can actually improve your garden as well. Frost and freezing temperatures can help to break down compacted soil. So if you've got an area of your garden that you want to dig and it's been too hard through the summer, I don't know if it's been walked on or if it hasn't been worked, you haven't conditioned it, what it is. But as soon as the frost or the freezing temperatures get to it, it starts to break the soil up, making it much easier to work in the spring. This makes it easier as well if you mulch it at this point as well and let the mulch break down with the soil as you go through the freezing temperatures. This will help to condition the soil quite easily as well, which is a really good tip. So the freezing temperatures can help to break down compacted soil, break down organic matter, decomposing in the soil and releasing nutrients, which has been locked up over the summer. As I say, if the soil has been compacted, hardened through drought or anything like that. So it's a really good time to be doing that as well. Just mulch on top of the hard soil and then let the frost and the freezing temperatures just break it all down together. It's like instantly conditions it and mix it up for you. Another one I just added in here for good measure, so it doesn't really make sense, but I'm going to throw it in anyway. Some vegetables also need the cold freezing temperatures, like the heavy frosts, to mature. They also need the frosts and the freezing temperatures to sweeten the flavour. Root crops such as like carrots and parsnips and things like that, once they get frost on them, they go so much sweeter. It releases all the sugars inside. And brassicas do this as well, so broccolis and things like that. This happens to them as well. They get so much sweeter after a frost. So it's really good to let your vegetables go for a frost. Only some vegetables, some fresh veg can't deal with a frost. Courgettes aren't very frost hardy. They will break down quite quickly with a frost. I've still got courgettes growing out of the plant that aren't big enough to harvest, and I'm terrified. I'm really considering putting cloches over them because I don't want them. I want them to mature before they get heavy frost. I'm hoping they'll get there and it'll be fine before you get any frost. So it'll be fine. So frost is quite important for a vegetable.